town ain't big enough for the both of us. Bro thinks he's a movie director. Call me Quentin Tarantino. Not gonna lie, I'm so hyped for this one. I'm gonna start with a guitar from this Spaghetti Western contact pack. Little palm muted strum. Layer it with another guitar. Pitch automation to make it sound cowboy-y. More guitar. You can trigger different styles with notes. I'm going to make it slide with F2. Pitch automation. I'm going to use splice for a clap to get a little beat going. Layer it with this other clap. Ocarina. But if we click phrases, you're going to love this. I've been studying for this beat, by the way. Probably played like 200 hours of Red Dead 2 in the last month. Made a little hat loop. Let's get a bass. Don't you dare say it. We definitely need some whistling in there. Let me try it myself. If I can remember how to whistle, that would be great. Alright, let me lock in. Okay, I think I finally got one. Let's do a little bit of pitch correction. I'm not perfect, I'm sorry. Put a few effects on it and bounced it. Let's grab some shakers. Nah, I'm cooking! What spaghetti western samples do they have? Oh, they got loads of packs. Hold up, I'm about to grab everything. Alright, here's all the stuff I grabbed. Found this Cowboy gunshot as well. I kind of fuck with this fit. I won't lie. This might be a turning point for me. These might be the new Garms. Prop by Cowboy.
Oh my God, bro.
Hey. I've lost the plot. I think I've got heat stroke or something. Seriously. Hey. Let's get a kick down. Like, do. Switch up the last bit. Snare. Hats. Let's turn this one down a little bit. Control B. New bass pattern for the drop. Let's copy this to a guitar. Ooh. Let's get a scratch. Layer it with this other scratch. Drag it in here.
Special effect.
I just want the scratches. Grab a couple drum fills. Set the BPM to 100. Let's Frankenstein these together to make a unique one. Drag all this back in. We need that, bro. A harmonica would be fire! Literally the first one. That's perfect. Pitch automation. You can't go wrong with more guitar. Automation again. Little splice tambourine. Let's remove these top two patterns for this section. Horns. More. More. Gotta throw those in somewhere. Alright, I'm calling it there before I explode and turn into a pile of ashes before your very eyes. Let me know in the comments what swag you want to see next, and while you're down there, you might as well like the video, subscribe to my channel, click the hype button, any other buttons you see, just click them, click everything! Shout out Splice for sponsoring this video. They cooked on those Wild West packs. If you want to try Splice, make sure you check out the link in the description. Let's go, partner.